Welcome to Gip Studio, and we're gonna make Patrick from SpongeBob. Let's draw him first, so we can trace him later with the 3D pen. The sketch is done.
Okay, so now what?
Trace the outline and fill in the body. Fill in the empty spots. Change the green filament and draw Patrick's pens. Looks kinda scary at this point, but don't worry, we'll get there. Now we're gonna change the color and finish the pens. Make sure to use up the previous color that is already inside the pen. Draw Patrick's tongue. With the red color, we're gonna fill in the mouth. Finally, give Patrick his eyes so he's not scary anymore. Never mind, he still looks creepy.
Don't worry, buddy.
Draw the pupils and the throat. I'm gonna draw black outlines to give more cartoonish look. And now we're done. Or are we?
Ah!
Hit up the S so he can bend over.
Oh, again!
Let's make him our support so he won't fall back.
That's much better. Dum 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 dum.
Thank you for watching. If you didn't like the video, you know what to do. But if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.
Is this all?